Good morning, Facebook friends. It's Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from Petaluma, California. We're here in the parking lot of the shopping center. They're staging us for the downtown show event. They're basically lining up all the Tri-5s together, and of course we've got a truck in there which we call a Tri-5 as well. So anywho, this is our lead car for the road trip that we're going to be doing later on this week. And there's just a few of the cars that they've got us together. They're trying to put us in groups and send us to downtown, and we should be heading down there shortly. So stay tuned. We'll be putting in some more updates as we go along throughout the day, and should be a good time. Unfortunately, we do look like we're going to have some inclement weather coming our way, so we'll get in as much coverage as we can. We will have more updates as the day goes by, so stay tuned.